Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to remove underline in Google Sheets. So get ready started. At first, open your Google Sheets file. Firstly, then show the Google Sheets is remove underline. Now, then I will show that. Now, underline is now for click. Now click for the three dot option. Now click for the delete option. Now for click. That's it. So again, now click for the underline option. Now click for the three dot option. Now click for the delete option. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.